In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a private message on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an incredible platform for networking and connecting with professionals from around the world. Whether you are job hunting, seeking collaborations, or nurturing your professional relationships, the ability to send private messages on LinkedIn is a valuable skill. Let us dive right in. First things first, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage, which is essentially the heart of your LinkedIn experience. You will see your newsfeed populated with updates from your connections and companies you follow. Now, to send a private message, you will want to direct your attention to the messaging icon. This can be found in the top panel of your screen. It looks like a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Give that icon a click. Once you have done that, a messaging pane will pop up from the bottom of the screen. This pane contains your recent conversations, making it easy to pick up where you left off with your connections. Here you can view your ongoing chats or initiate new ones. If you want to send a new message, look for the New Messages button within this messaging pane. Clicking on it will bring up a new message window. In this window, you will need to type in the name of the person you wish to message. As you type, LinkedIn will display a list of your connections whose names match the characters you are entering, allowing you to select the correct contact easily. Once you have selected the intended recipient, you will have a text box where you can compose your message. One important tip here: do not just type out a generic message. Personalizing your message can go a long way. Perhaps start with a brief introduction if it is your first time reaching out to this person, or reference a topic you previously discussed if you are continuing an existing conversation. Always be polite and professional. This helps ensure a positive impression and fosters better professional relationships. After composing your message, the next step is simple: hit send. This button is easy to locate, just to the side of your message box. When you click it, your message is on its way, swiftly making its journey to the recipient wherever in the world they might be. And there you have it. Sending a private message on LinkedIn is straightforward. Yet it is such an effective way to communicate in the professional realm. With this simple skill, you are better equipped to expand your network and nurture those valuable connections that can support your career journey. Thanks for watching.